In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profile picture to your contacts in Outlook Express. Adding a face to a name makes emails feel more personal and helps you spot the right person at a glance. I'll walk you through the quick process and share a few tips so your images look clean and professional. Open the Outlook app on your computer and head to your contacts area. Depending on your version, this section may be called People or Contacts. Look along the navigation bar for the icon that resembles two silhouettes. A single click brings you into your address book, where all your saved contacts live. Find the person you want to update and open their details. You can search by name in the search bar if you have a long list. When you see the right entry, double-click it to bring up the full contact card. This window is where you can adjust things like phone numbers, job titles, and of course, the picture. Now add the photo. In the contact card, look for the small picture box or placeholder image near the top left. Double-click that area to open the picture picker. If you already see a thumbnail, double-clicking it lets you replace it if it's blank. This action adds one for the first time. Choose the image from your computer. Outlook works well with common formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, BMP, and TIFF. For the best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot, ideally centered and cropped around the face and shoulders. A square or near-square image usually fits most layouts neatly. After you highlight the file you want, click OK to confirm your choice. If your organization manages profile photos centrally, you may see restrictions. In that case, changes might not be allowed for certain contacts. Wrap it up by saving. Click Save Close on the contact window to apply the change. The update is now stored with that contact. Depending on your Outlook version and account type, the image can also appear in message headers and other views. If it doesn't show immediately, don't worry, some views refresh after a brief delay, and images may display differently across layouts. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.